Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach you some easy skills which you can sell on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and earn easy money. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a logo and how you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and let's see that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I'm going to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best graphic design software available. Best freelancing platform. It's I think number one or number two. So you can check on Google. So after that, first of all, we will search logo design. But as you can see, there are 1,80,000 plus results. Means this is a very high competition niche. But when I search for as you can see 20,000 is less, but I write here like business modern minimalist business logo design, and let's see, I will do modern minimalist logo. I click on this to analyze. In basic package she charge like $25, and in standard she charged $45, and premium she charged $85. And this is a good amount of money, and I will teach you how you can create these type of logos in very easy steps. So that's it for the Fiverr part, and let's move towards to design our logo. So I'm going to use Canva for this because if I use Photoshop it will take a lot of time, but in Canva I will create it in some minutes. And I click on logo 500 by 500. You can also get the details of the logo like name and size of the logo from your client. So here I search for minimalist logos, and as you can see there are different minimalist logos, and you just have to change the color and suppose your brand name is like John Ramde, and in this way you can write here, and like you can also write here your profession like web designer. I am putting a dummy details here, but you can get details from client. So in this way you can make a logo, but I would like to change the background color like this one. Yeah, it's look good. So that's it. In this way you can create a beautiful logo, minimalist logo, and sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.